Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover deleted Snapchat messages or restore deleted Snapchat messages when you accidentally delete your Snapchat messages or chats. In this video you can easily recover or restore your all deleted Snapchat messages or Snapchat chats. In this video you can easily see or read your all deleted Snapchat messages or chats. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. You can see in this here my all Snapchat messages or chats. So first of all I can delete some Snapchat messages or chats. You can see in this time I can delete some Snapchat messages or chats, but in this time I can easily recover or restore all deleted Snapchat messages and chats. So let's see. Minimize it and go to your Google Play Store. Choose and open Google Play Store. In this here write and search GC recover deleted messages. After that you can see GC recover deleted messages app. Please open this app. And in this you can choose and select your own language. I can choose English language. After that right top corner click on it. Allow recover deleted messages to access music and audio on this device. You can choose allow. Allow recover deleted messages to access photos and video on this device. After that you can choose allow all. Click on it. After that choose allow. And then turn on. Choose allow. And in this way you can easily recover or register or read or see your all deleted Snapchat messages or chats. After that you can see Snapchat. So in this way you can choose and open Snapchat. In this here I can see my all deleted Snapchat messages and chats recover or register in this here. And in this way you can easily recover or register or read or see your all deleted Snapchat conversation, recover your all deleted Snapchat messages and chats. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.